Hello friends and welcome to my channel. So today I'm finally moving rooms. I'm so excited. So I'm moving from this room to another room in this house. But it's been a long time coming and it's going to happen over a few days or even weeks, but I'm starting today moving the first thing, and that's my clothes. So let's do it. Okay, so the room I'm currently in, it is a mess, to say the least. Well, that's because I kind of don't have a real closet and school's been crazy. So it's kind of embarrassing, but I'm going to show you and then I'm going to move some of my clothes at least to the new room. So let's get started. So this is the door to my room, and as you can see, there is so much stuff on the floor, and actually it's hard to open the door because, yeah, there's a lot of stuff, but my desk is a mess, so I will have to clean that up. And the floor is horrible, and yeah. Here I have a lot of stuff and boxes, so this is horrible, this is so embarrassing, but this is what it looks like. So I also wanted to show you the new room. I'm in it right now. It's not finished at all, but I'm so excited. So this is the second room. I'm in the first one, and I'm gonna show you. So this is the closet. It is supposed to have 8 drawers, but 2 of them we have to return and get new ones. But look at it. So this will be my closet slash something else. So it's kind of hard to show you. And then the other room is out here and we're still working on it, but I can start to move things into at least this closet and these drawers. So that is what I'm going to do today. So, first box done. Now I'm gonna take everything and put it in the closet, and then we'll do it again. So it's 1 or 2 days later. It's the weekend now, so a lot has happened, so I'm going to show you that. So this is what my room looks like now. It's really empty when the bed isn't there, but there's still a lot of stuff and a lot of just trash. I've emptied out this one. And I have to clean up all of this. It's a lot of just boxes. And clean this up. But this is what it looks like now. But I will probably have to declutter. So if you want to see that, please give this video a thumbs up and I will do that. But oof, I have to get going. Okay, as you can see, there's no more stuff here, and I have my bed, and here I have like this old closet-ish, but that is just going to be there for now, but then it will be gone. Then if you walk in, as you can see, bed, and here I have a shelf and a drawer set. So the shelf will go into this room, and I don't know what I will do with this one, but it was once in my old room. And there is some progress with the clothes, but I have a lot of them, so I still have the box. And well, it's work in progress. And there is the door, and here I am. But it's happening slowly but surely, and we're going to do a lot today, so I hope I will be able to kind of, yeah, move in here today, even though not everything is finished. The reason I kind of have to move in today is that we are getting like 2 boys from Germany that are going to be staying with us for a week, and they will be having my old room. It's something to do with my brother's school, so that will be really fun, but there's lots to do, so I'm going to get started. It's empty, almost. I have my desk and this here, but otherwise it's empty. Hello! It's kind of echoey. But look! I went to IKEA with my mom, and Jysk, I don't know if that's how you say it, but I will put the name here. So yeah, we got the 2 remaining drawers that were like not okay, they were damaged, so we just got new ones. And yeah. This is my room for now. I'm like halfway moved in, so like I still have to put my stuff everywhere, and then there's just the closet, but this is it for now.